Hey, what's up? So I've had quite a few comments, people asking if this was welded, bolted, how I made it, measurements. To be honest, people, I did no measurements. I just used what I had, watched a video online of another guy. I did not come up with this. Look at that, some shitty welds because I only had my flux core welder. Horrible. Regardless, it works. And if I can make it, you guys can make it too. So, what it is just some rectangular tubing I had laying around. Welded some plates here on the end to run this threaded rod through. And I have angle iron behind all this shit on the wall on the 16-inch studs. So I cut that to 16, just under 16, so it fit between them. I just hold that up, slide that through the holes in the angle iron, and that's what mounts it to the wall. And it's at about the same height as my struts, which is pretty common height, so it seems to work for everything I've tried. Other than that, you can see that, so it's 16 inches. This here, 7-inch block, so that must have been just random guess again. These I think were 2 feet, just because I had just over 4 feet. Yeah, 2 foot. Little cut off piece, making a 90 return here. About 3, whatever. Doesn't have to be perfect. I ended up putting these on because afterwards it was just not strong enough, and why not? I had it sitting around. Just normal square tubing, nothing fancy. What is it? 1 inch. 1 inch square. There's some plate that I had sitting around. I believe that's just normal 1/4 inch. Yeah, 1/4 inch plate. The only bolts in this thing are these, which I just had laying around. I couldn't tell you what they are. You want to read? There's the grade. Probably not even enough. Its name is Manuel because it does the labor. But that's it. There's nothing to it. Once this is together, I took the same size of rectangular tubing and it slides over this, and I think it's 5 foot it was. So once I get it on there, I got quite a bit of leverage. If you watch the video, you can see how I can configure it. Here, I'll flip it over so you can see. It is so basic. Basic as it gets. Nothing fancy. Shitty welded. Wish I had a gas welder, but not yet. But yeah, that's all it is. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Anybody that was looking to make one, or during this coronavirus decides they want to be like me and hang out in your garage working on stuff. Today is the first day I'm going to fire this thing up, so just got the gas in it and checked it over. Everything's good. Can fire it up. But I saw this as I was cleaning the garage and it reminded me that some people wanted to see this, so there it is. Hopefully that helps you guys. Have a great day.